Welcome back. In this segment, I'll walk you step by step through the home screen and how to create a user profile on your Elara 900, ensuring every user enjoys a personalized and efficient experience. Every Elara 900 has a default Hargstrite profile allocated at the home screen with our standard list of presets. You can create a copy of the existing Hargstrite account by touching the three dots on the user profile. This brings up the user management menu. From there, you can select to rename, configure, edit presets, clone, export, or even delete your own profile. You can clone the Hargstrite user account by selecting Clone from the user management menu, or create an entire new profile by clicking on that plus icon of an empty user account tile. Now, enter your name of the account to further customize it. On the next window, you'll need to select your dominant eye, menu location, profile write protection, and capture acoustic volume. Adjusting settings related to the capture acoustic volume will change whether or not the system makes a chiming noise when a photo or video is captured by the device. You may prefer to disable this. Review your settings, and once you're happy with them, press the home button to save the new profile. Your new profile now appears on the main screen. Now, you'll need to make sure that you've set your favorite illumination presets, or create your own ones entirely. Also make sure that you complete the process of adjusting the eyepieces during the initial user account setup to know how to compensate for refractive error. We've made a special video to show you exactly how to do that. With profiles set up for everyone, the Elara 900 becomes instantly adaptable for your clinic's entire team. Personalization supports workflow efficiency and ensures every clinician enjoys a seamless, tailored, personalized working environment. Thanks for following along, and I hope you're enjoying using the Elara 900.